how Zomato earn money, how Swiggy earn money, how Uber Eats earn money. Do you know how this big food delivery earn money? Let me help you today. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Goyal from Raunix. I'm a website developer, application developer, and an online business management expert. I'm working in this field for more than 7 years, and today I'm going to help you. If you are looking to start your online food delivery business, or you just want to know how Zomato earn money, this video is for you. Let's get started. So there are 4 ways Zomato earn money. Number 1, commission. Zomato take commission on each order. Let's say you make an order of 1000 rupees. Let's say Zomato is charging 20% to the restaurant. It charges 20 to 30% depending upon the restaurant location, restaurant name, how much famous it is, restaurant is old or new. Also depends upon what type of items a restaurant have. So they take commission according to that. Let's say they take 20% commission from a restaurant and you make an order of 1000 rupees. So the Zomato directly got 200 rupees from that order as a earning. But wait, that's not what they got total in pocket. They need to deduct the delivery charges because they pay the delivery charges to the delivery men by kilometer. As you know, Zomato has their own delivery boy. They also have software charges. So those all get deducted. But yeah, that's the first way they earn money. Number 2, subscription cost. Every restaurant don't agree on commission, and that's why Zomato also takes subscription cost from some restaurants. It's not mandatory in every city, but in some city. Let's say a restaurant who's doing very well, like Domino's, don't want to pay any commissions to Zomato. So what they do, they give a fixed fee like 1000 rupees or 10,000 rupees per month to Zomato. Doesn't matter how much order they get. So that is called subscription model, where the restaurant give a fixed fee per month and get registered on the platform. So number 3 is Zomato Hyper Pure. Zomato also have a third business where Zomato deliver the items that the restaurant need. Let's say the restaurant need the raw material. They need the basic production material for their restaurant. So what Zomato do? They sell that product and the Zomato restaurant buy the product from Zomato, and that's how the Zomato earns. So this was the number 3rd method. Did you knew this? Comment below. Did you knew this about the Zomato earning module? About the Zomato that they sell products also to the restaurant. And now let's talk about our final point. Number 4, Zomato goals. Let's say you decided not to order online from Zomato. Zomato still can earn from you. They earn by Zomato Gold. That's a different platform by Zomato where you can get coupon codes. If you want to go inside a restaurant, just download Zomato Gold and pay through Zomato Gold. And now you will get a specific discount if you order offline inside a restaurant. So that is also a business model for Zomato. These were the 4 business models the Zomato earn. So now a bonus tip for you if you stay till the end of the video. Zomato also earn by cloud sending data. Yes, Zomato sell your data. So a new restaurant if open, let's say in a hill station, they can know what customer orders, what customer like in this location, what is the most trending. So the restaurant can open according to that. Zomato also help restaurant to market. Restaurant pay at Zomato to get on the higher side. Let's say a restaurant is showing low in the pizza category. To show high, they can pay to the Zomato. And that's all how Zomato earn money. So that's how Zomato earn. I hope this video helped you to understand how Zomato earn. If you want to start your own food delivery, grocery delivery business, then we have the right solution for you. Check out our latest application which has food delivery, multi-vendor live tracking, user app, driver app, seller app, admin, everything with website and 1 year free technical support. It also has double earning module. That means subscription plus commission. You can take both from the seller, from the restaurant. So what are you waiting for? Start your own food delivery business today. You can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen, or you can also comment below or visit raunix.com. I'll see you in the next video. Raunix, making world online.